Homesteading with Nene here. I know it's hard to hear me. My sweetie pie is down there cutting wood. He is definitely a family man and does what it takes to keep this place going. He's got a little help there. Looks like some chickens. There is our chicken pen that he built me. As you can probably tell, I love primitive things. I don't see the goat. We have one goat. I don't know where she's at. Or he. It's a he. His name is Kix. I guess he's hiding out. I don't see him. We do burn wood. Thanks for being here.